flying in the air.
Last year, we made this giant RC airplane. So this year, we're gonna go even bigger. And two, make it survive a huge battle royale from wings, and we're gonna take these new wings and glue them together. We got these hot. Then all of my ultralights that I've built in the past. It's got a wingspan of 32 feet. It's about the same as the ways we got these 4 giant monster. We're just doing the shimmy. We did this last year where we're gonna slide the tail out to one side and then get it out. Time to attach the wings.
Just basically run a cap on the top and the bottom.
I think that'd be good, yeah, we can do that.
And that way you'll have your capture screwed in here.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Go for it, yeah.
Woo!